Hello friends, you're welcome back again to our video on 55 BTC crypto game platform. Now I want to show you in this video how to make deposits. I'm making this because a lot of people just signed up and they do nothing else. Nothing happens when you sign up and relax. So how do you deposit? Deposit is done through USDT, that's crypto, and that's TRC20. So I'm going to make an example exactly how to do this. Now, but before you go into this, the first thing you need to do is to check the packages, so you know the choice of what you want to start with. So I click on me here, then I click on this place where I have my now look at the packages. Now once you register, you are just at that first level, which we may call level 1. So level 1 does not mean anything. You just register, nothing is happening. So to go to level 2, you need at least to deposit at least 2 USDT. You see how simple it is. So even if you don't want to spend more, you might just start with the 2 USDT. If you want to go to level 3, you need at least 100 USDT deposits. Then level 4 is 500, 800, level 5, 15,000 USDT, and so on and so forth, up to level 9. Now, having checked that, I want to just do that on level 2, and I want to put 2 USDT. So let me go back to the home page and click on deposit. Just watch. Now, digital currency you are using, the system says it's only one option, so click on it, USDT TRC20. Just click on it. Okay, that's USDT. Now, the system now generates. Remember that this is auto-generated. What generates now, if you want to do again, it may not be the same thing, so don't just copy and keep somewhere. No, it's when you want to make the deposit, and once you do this, you are ready to make the deposit without wasting time. So click on this. They say current chain type is TRC20. Please ensure that the selected chain type is consistent when transferring, otherwise it will cause financial losses, cannot be recovered. So all I need to do is, so I click on this, I'm going to go and deposit that now, and it's going to see that it's going to reflect. So I want to go to my ByteGate to do justice. So let me go to my ByteGate right now, so that I will make this deposit. I want to deposit $2. Let me just say $2 plus, maybe if there's going to be fee, just whatever there. Now this is my ByteGate. So normally, if you want to, you go to deposit here. I'm going to click on deposit. Withdrawal is withdrawal. I'm going to go through to, because I want to withdraw from here. So let me quickly go to my home page. Now go to my assets. For those of us using ByteGate, any wallet you're using, you can anyone, you still get what you're looking for. So you want to transfer, it's okay. So this is where you have withdraw. That's withdraw now. You're withdrawing the coin. Now you click on the coin you want to withdraw. So I click on USDT. So I choose it. Now, which is on-chain transfer. Send token to the recipient's address via the blockchain network. It's okay. Now, this is the withdrawal address. That's the first thing to do here. I paste it. That's the one I copied. Now, withdrawal network. Remember, it is TRC20 because USDT can be in different forms. Just click on this address. You see there's so many of them. You see BEP20, TON, Solana, TRC. So the one you're going to choose is this, because that's where the one you wanted to send. That's exactly where it is. So, and they say that the fee is 1 USDT. You see how high this fee is. Fee is 1 USDT to send that, or USDT on that TRC20. The fee is there. If you check other ones, you check out the fees. This one, even the fee is 3 USDT, and so many of them. You need to study a lot of things. Like if you are using BEP20 now, they say the fee is just 0 naira, but the system is, this one, the fee is 0.15 USD. That's 15 cents. Solana is also 1 USD. So it depends, but that's what the system wants us to use. So it means that if I want to put in whatever, they may likely, put $3. But let's just try it. So I use this, the fees that. Another thing you're going to check is what the minimum you can put in. That just look at what the system says here. It says if you are going to send USDT from here, that the minimum is 10 USDT. But we don't have that. I'm not sending that. Do you understand that? So most times the wallet you are sending from matters. You might go to Binance and discover that this is easier, that you don't need all of this. Maybe you need only, even minimum can be 1 USDT. But in this case now we're seeing that the minimum is 10 USDT. So for me, I want to put in $2. I can't do it. Actually, why I didn't get to know this now before preparing it, because when I put in, I went to level 3 directly. So I put in $169. That's what I started with in my main account. This is my wife's account I'm using to do this recording. My downline, understand? So I put in $169. So in that case, I didn't get to look at this. Now it's so clear that I can't put in $2, and that's what I want to put for now on that account to show exactly how it works, because I don't have up to $100 to start with level 3. So once you do this, make sure that your money, because I have $10 here, but that money is not on spot, it's on OTC. So you have to convert it to spot. It's very, very simple. If you don't know how to do it, we're going to teach you. So, and they're telling me the network fee is 1 USDT and all that. So as it stands there, but if you have it now, you want to do this, you can put it up to $10 or 20, still on that level 2, because if it's not up to $100, it's not yet level 3. So if you do this, once you do this and send it, automatically your account will be credited. I did it, it worked. So there's no story about it. This exactly, I cannot complete this process now, but this exactly how to do. It doesn't matter the wallet you are sending this from. Once the wallet tells you every instruction, just follow it and do it seamlessly. In a question of few minutes, check your account on 55 BTC game and you see that the deposit is already there. Under balance, you check your balance and you see your money there. So when you see your money, then that is, you now start playing games. So everything about earning in that system is all about playing games. And I've shown you one of the games. I played that game with $10 and earned $24 instantly, immediately, no story. Yes, it's a game you can lose, but once you master game, the games are so much, up to 20 different wonderful games. So once you master, even if it's 1 or 2 you master, you leave the rest. Those ones you master, you can be earning so much on them. Play small money, put $2, put $5, put $10, you play them and you earn crazy. You withdraw your money. Minimum withdrawal is $10. The system is so easy and top notch. The service system, everything, it can't do any nonsense. It cannot scam. It cannot try to play pranks anyhow. You don't. If you try it, they catch you. Everything is so well organized in that system. I'm going to encourage you, put in money and play this game. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell, because you may be asking questions on how do you play game. I'm rolling out every single game. I'm going to prepare up to 3-4 videos on each of those games on how to play them, and I will play them live. So if I lose, you see how I lose. If I gain, you see how I gain it. That's exactly how this game. So please pay attention to what we're going to release as videos and start doing it. Don't stop watching. Stop looking around. Stop thinking, oh, would this one work? Please. It's a very genuine, legit system and it's paying huge. I want to stop at this point. If you're going to join us, please use the link on this video description. Click on it and join our team. Let's grow together. If you still have questions beyond comment on the comment box, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp. Ask all your questions and I'll be ready there to answer your question. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.